So, welcome to today's vlog. Today, I'll be back to show you how to train your quads. So, quad training, why is it important? Quad training helps you to strengthen your legs. Strengthen your legs in what way? It strengthens your legs by helping you stand, run, jump, walk better. So maybe in some sporting context, it can help you to play basketball better, swim better, play tennis better, play golf better. Anything that requires you to move your body in using your legs, either to go forward, to run faster, to move more explosively, stronger legs will benefit you. Benefit number 2, alright, your posture will be better because you have the strength to stand and your legs can support your body. Your body is like a tree. If the roots are weak, you will have a lot of postural issues. So training legs is essential. Third thing is that you want to have lesser back pain, you want to have stronger legs, something to support your body weight. Training legs is a must. Okay? And the last thing, especially for guys, if you want to get bigger, training legs will help you to boost your testosterone level and also you can get bigger. So training legs is a must. Do not skip leg days. So here am I today. I'm going to be talking about training quads. So where are the quads? The quads are here. This front part of your thigh muscle. So what does the quad do? The quad helps you to do a lot of movements when you are pushing, jumping, helps you to stabilize also when you're pulling and lifting objects off the floor. So they are a very big part of your legs and they are definitely important for you to train. So do not skip leg days. So here, I'm going to be demoing to you the 3 different exercises that I like to showcase for my quad day or basically my leg day I like to do. So stay tuned to find out more. So here is the reverse banded hex squat, which is one of my favorites for training your quadriceps. You might not have this machine in your gym, so I would recommend you to try maybe a split squat variation, or you can do something that you have to push your knees past your toes. I know it's quite controversial that most people say you cannot really push your knees past your toes, it's gonna hurt your knees, you're gonna screw up your knees, you're gonna tear a knee joint. Actually, the truth is it's not. As you can see here, when I'm doing my hex squat, right, it really comes down to your ankle mobility. So I'm actually pretty flexible. So when I'm doing my hex squat, right, I'm really pushing my knee as far forward as I can. And I just want to stop exactly at the parallel position where there will be the most tension on my quads and do a slight pause before I come up. So try it out, let me know how it is. Here is my second exercise for the leg press, which is a quad focus. And how does it work? You can use this to train your quads by putting your feet at the very lowest position of the pad. So this is a traditional 45 degrees plate loaded leg press. You can have the same one, which is maybe a more horizontal one, or which is a plate loaded, or either it could be a stack weight. So concept is similar. Look at my feet position. I'm putting my feet at the very lowest point, and as I come down, I obviously have to brace my core, try to let my knees go past my toes because you want to feel your quads. So knee go past your toes. So I think I could go like maybe a 1 or 2 cm lower here, but I think maybe like I was a little bit nervous. I couldn't control the weight. But key point is that find a position you're comfortable. You don't want to do a too wide stance. Usually I'm doing about shoulder width or narrower depending on your own flexibility. Let it go all the way down, control and resist it. Last exercise of the quadriceps series is going to be the banded leg extensions. I think you have this machine in most of the gyms. Why I like to put the bands at there is not because I'm sadistic, but I just want to overload, make it really difficult at the very top position where I fully extend my legs. This is actually a very good exercise to strengthen your quads because number one, it works it in a different manner as compared to the hex squat and leg press. So key point is when you do this, you want to keep your butt on the pad, do not jerk, really fully straighten and keep your core tight. So we have come to the end of today's leg training episode. So I'm opening up personal training slots for 2022. If you want to get in shape for the best shape of the summer, you want to go somewhere beach, you want to show off your nice and ripped body, you want to really know how to transform your body, you want to know how to take your health and fitness to the next level, drop me an email at karaderek@gmail.com, message me on Instagram or karaderekfitness, reach out to me. I'll be happy to coach you if you are interested to take your body to the next level, because I'm training limited clients to get into the best shape of their life. As you know that you can travel now, there's VTL, borders are open, you can go out for holiday, there'll be more gatherings, and you definitely want to shake off your COVID body or maybe whatever weight you've gained. So thanks for watching today. Stay tuned, take care, train hard, stay safe, goodbye.